In this section of the unit, students will be using base 10 blocks to model subtraction with two 3-digit numbers, and then will solve using the standard algorithm. Problems with regrouping and regrouping across zeros have been provided, along with some problems that do not require regrouping. A specific word problem structure has been suggested for each day. Materials include base 10 blocks, a place value chart, and a subtraction work mat. An optional partial differences work mat and an optional number line, an open number line work mat, have also been provided. Present a real-world scenario such as Nicole is taking inventory of the canned vegetables at the grocery store. She noted that there were 400 cans of vegetables. There were 229 cans of green beans, and the rest were carrots. How many cans of carrots were there? Record a solution statement, discuss the knowns and unknowns, and complete the strip diagram on the subtraction work mat. Lead students to generate a situation equation. 229 cans of green beans, one part, and an unknown number of cans of carrots, the other part, equals 400 cans of vegetables, the whole. 229 plus unknown equals 400. The number of cans of carrots, the one part, is not isolated in the situation equation, so a solution equation must be utilized to show how to solve for the part. 400 minus 229 equals an unknown. Have students use base 10 blocks to represent 400 on a place value chart. Model how to create a pictorial representation on the subtraction work mat using squares, lines, and dots. Ask students, if we subtract 229 from 400, what will be the unknown part? Look at the number of ones. Can we subtract 9 from 0? No, because there are not enough ones. Ask students, what do you know about the number of tens? Can we regroup a 10? No, because there are 0 tens. As the students notice that there aren't enough tens, explain that they will have to regroup using some of the hundreds. Model how to regroup 100 from the hundreds place to the tens place. Look at the number of ones. Ask students, can we subtract 9 from 0 yet? No, because there are not enough ones yet. As the students notice that there aren't enough ones yet, explain that they will have to regroup using some of the tens. Model how to regroup 110 from the tens place to the ones place. Ask students, look at the number of ones after we regrouped. Can we subtract 9 from 10? Yes, because there are enough. Model how to subtract 9 ones from 10 ones. Ask students to look at the number of tens. Can we subtract 2 tens from 9 tens? Yes, because there are enough. Model how to subtract 2 tens from 9 tens. Ask students to look at the number of hundreds. Can we subtract 2 hundreds from 3 hundreds? Yes, because there are enough. Model how to subtract 2 hundreds from 3 hundreds. Ask students to use the base 10 blocks and/or the pictorial model to determine the unknown part represented on their place value charts. Students should determine that the unknown part is 171. Model how to use the standard algorithm to determine the unknown part. There were 171 cans of carrots. An optional strategy students may utilize when subtracting with three-digit numbers is the partial differences method. Students should decompose each quantity and subtract like values. 829 is decomposed into 820 and 9. 553 is decomposed into 550 and 3. Starting in the ones place, 9 minus 3 is a difference of 6. Looking in the tens place, 20 minus 50 is something I cannot do. I do not have enough tens. So I looked to the hundreds and I regroup 100 from the 800. That will give me a total of 120 in the tens place. 120 minus 50 gives me a difference of 70. Looking in the hundreds place, 700 minus 500 gives me a difference of 200. I then combine the partial differences. 200, 70, and 6 gives me a difference of 276.
Another optional strategy that students may utilize is an open number line. Students should place the larger quantity on the number line. Then students should decompose the other quantity into values that can be easily subtracted from the larger quantity. Let's look at 829 minus 553. The larger quantity, 829, is on my open number line. 553, I can decompose that into 553 or 520, 10, 10, 10, and 3. Students may find it easier to do this on the open number line, but students may do this. 829 minus 500. 829 minus 500, 329. Then I'm going to jump 20. 329 minus 20 is 309. Jump 10. 299 minus another 10 is 289. Minus one more 10 is 279. I've subtracted 550. Now I need to take away or subtract my 3. 279 minus 3 is 276.
Thank you for tuning in to this episode of Elementary Math Minute. We hope you'll find these videos helpful, and we look forward to you joining us next time. See you then.